In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox Fax, which you might have known previously as Hello Fax, to send and receive faxes online efficiently. Whether you're a business professional or just someone who needs to send the occasional fax, Dropbox Fax has streamlined the process in a way that's easy to use. Let's dive in and explore how you can set it up and make the most out of its features. First, let's talk about setting up Dropbox Fax. It's important to note that to receive faxes, you'll need to be on a paid plan. This plan provides an incoming fax number, which receiving inbound faxes requires. Once you've subscribed, you'll get to pick a country, state, or area code to assign to your incoming fax number. After your selection, you can expect to receive an email which will provide you with the details of your new fax number. You'll also find this information readily available on your Dropbox Fax dashboard for easy reference. Now, let's move on to how you can send a fax using Dropbox Fax. Begin by logging into your Dropbox Fax account. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on the Send a Fax option. This will take you to a new screen where you'll again select Send a Fax. Now it's time to upload the document you'd like to fax. You can upload directly from your computer, or if your document resides in the cloud, that's an option too. Before sending, Dropbox Fax allows you to add necessary fields like signatures, dates, or checkboxes. These are optional, but very handy. If additional fields are unnecessary, you can simply click Next or Skip. Next, enter the recipient's fax number. Some plans may allow you to send the document to an email address too. Don't forget to include a title or a message if you wish to add context. Once you're ready, click Send Document. After sending, you'll promptly receive a confirmation email, and you can always check the fax's status within your account. Now, let's talk about receiving faxes. With your inbound fax line, that's your fax number, people can send you faxes via traditional machines or online services. As soon as a fax is successfully received, you'll get it in your email as a PDF. It's very convenient, as you can also view it directly in your account. To ensure successful transmission, be sure that whoever is sending you a fax uses your full fax number, including the country code and area code for correct recognition. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to manage your faxing needs with Dropbox Fax. Thanks for watching, and now you can handle faxes like a pro right from your computer.